Hi folks, my name is Amy and I am the coordinator of Dublin Maker Festival. This is a quick Know Before You Apply video to explain everything that's in our Know Before You Go guide, but in video format. So first of all, what is Dublin Maker? Well, Dublin Maker is Ireland's largest festival of making, where we bring together over 90 different exhibitors to showcase the process of making. We hold a festival over a period of 2 days down in Leopardstown Racecourse. This year it's going to be on the 22nd and 23rd of August, and it's about showcasing the different ways in which people can get involved in making. So who comes to the festival? Well, people come to the festival to showcase a project that they've been working on for the past year. So that can be individual makers, it can be families, it can be groups of friends, it can be community organisations or research groups, and pretty much everything that you can think of. In terms of the projects that come to Dublin Maker, we have a really broad range, everything from robotics and engineering and electric vehicles to crafts like crochet and knitting and patchwork and needle felting and pretty much everything that you can think of. The festival is packed full of hands-on participatory activities, so think coding, think crafting, think building, think creating, think designing. It is all at Dublin Maker Festival. So, how do you be a part of Dublin Maker Festival? So at the moment we're in the middle of our open call. So this is where we look to find makers who will come and showcase a project at the festival. So you can find all the information about our open call over on www.dublinmaker.ie/open call. But the open call is basically where we do two things. One, we ask people about their project so we can understand if it's a good fit for the festival. And two, we ask people about the things they might need in order to take part in the festival. So we ask questions about how much space they might need, whether they need power, if they're available for both days or just one day. This year, for our open call, we're using a platform called Sessionize. We've created an entirely different video that will talk you through the entire process of filling out a form, which you can find down below. So our open call was originally going to close on the 20th of April, but we've now decided to extend that until the 30th of April to give people a little bit more time to put in information about their projects. If you need any help with any aspect of the open call, you can absolutely contact us at any time. My email address is amy@dublinmaker.ie, or you can email info@dublinmaker.ie or get in contact with us over social media. We also have a video that you can find down below with all the information from last year's festival. So this will tell you things about how you can get to Leopardstown Racecourse, what accessibility features we'll have in place, and other pieces of really useful information. We really hope that you submit an application to our open call, and we hope to see you at this year's festival.